So this is the Rii Mini i6. It's a bit of a mouthful. World's first wireless mini keyboard / infrared remote control. Now, as you can see here, it charges via a USB cable, and the people have put a nice USB pass-through on it, so you can still use your USB port even when you're charging it. You put this into the device itself, which is over here. I'll just slide over there, and you put the charge in the bottom there, the mini USB section in the bottom there. You can see the on-off switch there, and the other end in your computer. Now, it's very easy to get this thing talking to your TV. You basically point it to your existing remote control here. You press and hold on the set button. There's two set buttons. This one set button is for your, say, TV, and the other set button is for maybe your set-top box, skybox, DVD recorder, whatever you've got. So you press set 1 and that will activate your TV, set 2 that will activate whatever else you've got. So I press and hold on set 2. That goes into learning mode. As you can see, it's lit up red there. You press the button you want to learn, and then you press the corresponding button on the remote control. So I'm going to press down. That should make this flash, and then it's learnt it then, and that's basically it. So that's how you teach it. So I should be able to go over here and press, look at those slippers, they're good slippers. We press set 1, and then I press on, and the TV should magically come on. Takes a bit to warm up. There's the TV, and then I'm going to press set 2, and that should let me control Sky. So there we go, we can flick through. I'm pressing up on the remote. Now, why would you want this? That's a very good question, but it all becomes apparent. Let's just turn this off again. Let's imagine that I'm looking at, let's get over here, that's my TV. Let's imagine this is my television, and I'm watching TV, and I'm quite happily flicking through the channels with my remote control here. Now let's also imagine that I've put a PC behind my big 40-50 inch TV in my lounge, or front room, whatever you want to call it, and I'm watching some completely legally downloaded movies off said PC. Now, you can obviously switch to your PC and have it outputting on any TV nowadays, and because a TV is basically an LCD monitor. And it's at that point that the other side of this remote control comes into its own. And you can see here, the other side is a QWERTY keyboard, and over here we've got a mouse control, a mouse pad, and a left mouse button and a right mouse button. You can see a little green light there indicating we've got a connection. It actually connects via the computer USB port there, little dongle, and I can then, it's a bit nice notepad screen, but I can type using my little Bluetooth wireless keyboard. So let's imagine I'm sitting on my lovely comfy chair in my lovely comfy front room, lounge, whatever you want to call it, in your den, and you've got your TV, and you can basically move the mouse around here. I'm using this to move that around, and let's say, let's just go down to this browser here. You can see I've got a window open. I'll just click that, and I can actually tap on the mouse pad to select stuff. So if I click on that and then tap, that should open up that story. So I can sit and browse from the comfort of my chair, and I can also write stuff out using the QWERTY keyboard. Then I can go, right, I've done enough geeky computer work now, and I've watched my completely legal movie that fell off the internet via a DivX download. I'm going to now turn the volume up and down using this. Turn the volume up and down. I can switch to whatever channel I want, and to be honest, this does the trick very well indeed. I can type quite easily. It's quite easy to type on, a rounded keys there, and you can get this. I'll put all the links on the news story that accompanies this, but this is the Rii Mini i6 wireless keyboard.